Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the device environment so changes apply correctly. First, check Android version and any OEM skin. This ensures menu paths match. Next, charge above 20% and turn off battery saver because power modes can block services. Open settings and navigate to accessibility. If you see touch or interaction controls, tap them. Once done, locate the Assistive Touch or similar floating menu toggle and enable it so the overlay appears on screen. Now configure how Assistive Touch behaves and why those permissions matter. Grant the display over other apps permission so the floating button can overlay full-screen apps. Without it, the button vanishes. Assign primary actions like Home, Back, Recent, and add a screenshot shortcut or custom gesture to speed common tasks. Then fine-tune size, transparency, and auto-hide delay to avoid obscuring content while keeping it reachable. Make sure to test each action immediately so you can adjust mapping and sensitivity. Finish by validating the feature across typical apps so you catch edge cases. Open the launcher, a browser, camera, and a full-screen video to ensure the button appears and each action works. If the overlay disappears or is unresponsive, restart the accessibility service or simply reboot the phone. That often clears permission hiccups. If problems persist, clear the Assistive app cache or reinstall the app and regrant permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enable overlay permission after reinstalling to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.